Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add nearby people on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on the search icon in the top left. So let me click on that, and here you need to search for your city. So I'm going to search for my city here. So let's suppose this is my city. So I am going to search here, and here you can see, you can click on that and you can see different stories of different people near you. So click on that. So here you can see that this is the story. So you can click on that and the next story will appear to you, and if you want to communicate or add you to a person, you can simply click on that in the bottom and you can add that person. So this is the creator of that story, and you can add as well. So here you can see different people stories like this, and if you want to add, you simply need to click here, and here you can see the subscribe button. You can add that person. So this is a process by which you can add people on Snapchat near you. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.